I love weed.
Here we are in the dead of night with Chase, our expert in expertise, and our driver, and these people, the lovebirds, and then me, Jake Grills. Today, I'll be teaching you how to drink your own piss.
Oh, hell no! I am not drinking my own piss!
You can!
Fuck you!
Those water!
Fuck you!
Miracle straws!
Fuck you!
Shut up!
Fuck
You're
you!
totally good at miracle straws.
I
I
am
know!
not
That's
drinking.
exactly what they show you how to do.
I will never drink my own piss. It came out of me for a reason. It didn't need to be there.
But first, we need to swim off this island. And the best, we're on an island. I'm Bear Grylls. I'm Jake Grills.
Jake Grills! And Chase Tails.
No, I'm Chase Barks, and it's Chase Bar Grills. It's Bar and Grills.
Oh my god!
Own restaurants, yeah. We'll serve your own piss.
Oh my god!
Oh, you want a drink? Give me $5.
Miracle!
Give me
$10 for this drink. I'm gonna hand you an empty cup, tell you to piss in it.
And I'm gonna give you a straw.
Don't worry, it's one of those looped straws, so it's fun drinking.
You know, it's the kind.
Oh my god!
It's like those glasses one that you can
changes
wear
colors
that
when
go
it's
around your
changing.
face and.
It changes colors if it's hot or
Oh
cold.
my god! Shut up!
It's red if it's hot, it's blue if it's cold. If your piss turns the straw blue, we've got a fucking problem.
No, like you're at a bar. Do you want piss on the rocks?
Piss on the rocks!
No, I did that before I walked in. I pissed on the rocks.
You could probably sell it if you call it high class.
Totally good!
It's just like.
Good. Oh my
Organic,
god.
it's gotta be organic.
Organic! Oh, I
This
love
is an
your
organic
weed.
beer.
Thank you.
I drank all night and I pissed in a bottle just for you.
It's organic.
It is organic beer.
It is organic.
Came fresh out of my penis.
Especially filtered.
Filtered through my body.
Filter through my liver.
Oh my god.
It was very difficult trying to piss in the little hole for this beer bottle.
Miracle straw. Oh my god. Jacob, are you seriously recording all this?
Yeah, I got 3 minutes so far. You know what the best part is? I'm gonna put it on JJTV.
On what? JJ?
My YouTube channel. I'm gonna put it on my YouTube channel.
Oh my
I'm
god.
going to.
Oh my
Here
god.
comes the views. I can feel them.
This is my mom. I haven't seen her drink in 10 years.
This is my mom.
There she is.
She's very
Like,
special.
seriously?
Oh, like, oh my god. Guys, did
I
you see?
heard that you hit on
Did you see that girl last night?
What's
Oh my
his
gosh, she was
name?
such a bitch.
What the fuck's his name? Do you ever used to work in the kitchen?
I totally fucking pummeled that bitch. Somebody needed to punch her in her fucking cake hole.
Mr.
Oh my god, what a fucking
Shit, she
cunt.
said that you hit on him last time.
You know those guys
I might have.
would have had a different response.
Was that the
if she
night that you was
standing
holding the
there.
garbage can while I puked?
Oh
I
my
don't
god.
know. I know what she
What
said
a
the last
fucking
time that you were there that you were completely
I should have walked.
Women like
I
that
should've walked
should
her. I
fucking
should've walked
put
her.
your foot down.
I should have walked her first and took care of her.
Right? Yeah.
It's like,
Tell the story.
what time is it?
Yeah.
What?
You guys were going to a party change.
What
party?
What
We got
time?
a party, Chase? Let's go. Let's go crash the teenage party, Wayne.
Absolutely not.
Let's go tell them, you know, studies.
Where's your party at?
Go tell them.
Studies.
Just
I would know.
studies.
That's not what I'd be like. So, If school doesn't
Let's
work out,
talk
there's always
about this.
carpentry for you.
Shut the fuck up, Wayne.
But if you don't know, because half his...
No.
These people are not gonna want to get up.
They couldn't even do it.
Oh, I have nerve damage. Wait, I cut a piece off my finger. I have nerve damage. I can't work for the next 2 weeks. I'm not gonna be able to make it.
I love that he loves, or he can identify that pansy ass in people. I love that, Chase.
God,
He
I
has
love,
our blood.
I love how you can just
Yeah.
recognize this
smashed my
panda's
finger with
ass.
my hammer.
I got
don't
the
think I'm gonna be able to
picture,
work.
right? Where you had it, yeah.
I just asked them what I was supposed to do, and I popped it.
Oh,
and I got
nice
one with my
guy.
knife.
Turn your brights off, fucker.
Oh, shit.
Do it,
Yes, they are on.
Fucker.
do it.
Oh, I should
Fuck
have righted
you,
them.
fuck
I
you.
should have
Totally.
righted them.
Yeah, knowing my luck, it would be a cop. We'd be pulled
They
over.
can't, because legally they can come at you with their brights, so if they did it, you'd be
Fuck
ahead
you,
of the
fuck
game.
you,
Yep.
fuck you. You're
Exactly.
cool. Fuck you.
You would.
And I would go to jail. Okay, no,
You're in the backseat.
You know,
No, it always happens.
Wayne.
the best
Ah.
stories.
What's going on?
So, Wayne, I heard you robbed a McDonald's down in Texas.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard about that
They
too.
took your bike.
Oh, what a fucker!
No, they threw my bike. They literally like tossed it like off of the sidewalk. Like,
Look at that orange dot.
yeah.
It's not even pointing at us.
Oh, tried to do a selfie with my boy, and it wasn't even on the right camera.
I can't do the front facing camera. It's just too ugly for me.
You're not ugly. Shut up.
It's
right
too
there.
dark.
It's like
Correct.
Wayne
It's been
saying
a
he's
terrible
stupid.
time.
Yeah.
Talking about me.
I hate that. Why do people? The world tears us apart enough. We don't need to do it to ourselves. Stop it.
Stop what?
Chicken butt.
Uh-huh. Do you know where though? Do you know where it happened?
In your underwear.
You're right. Oh my God, how did you know?
Chicken butt.
How did you know?
Little chicken butt.
It's under there, underwear. Ah, you said it. Dumbass.
Am I embarrassing you? I'll
No.
behave myself. I'm sorry.
So, radio.
Okay.
Oh, I thought it wasn't
no way
working
you could
again.
embarrass me. But
Wee.
So, the Vikings.
So
They won yesterday, actually.
oh, did you watch the game?
can see
No, I was working during the
Let's
game.
go see Teresa.
Yeah, the arms.
Oh my God.
I'm not drunk. I just swing my arm.
Sometimes
Oh, I
it's both.
know,
I didn't really know that.
I gave it up. Just like kicking the door.
You gave it up just because people kept
no,
giving
no,
you shit
no,
about
no.
what's going
You
on.
kicked the door.
The only reason he stopped waving his arm is because too many people gave him shit about it.
What time is it?
Wayne is amazing.
I don't